My bike's a 2012 Harley Davidson Model 72. I started with a stock motorcycle and then just started building it from there, over the last 2 years. And this is what I've ended up with. It's not everybody's taste, but it's mine. And it's, I gave it the classic look, old school, and I really like it. It's, just a very cool little motorcycle.
Okay, so tell me about your wheels, Doug.
Okay, they're actually square stock. They're like your 1970 wrought iron railing in your house. So they're square stock that's twisted with the sides machined. I had them custom made out of California by a company by the name of Ride Right Wheels. Like I said, it's a great show. I won't miss it now. Last year was my first year, and I'm going to come back every year now. As long as they're having it, I'm going to be back.